This is Brian back with the Celer network token update. I'm going to go over these charts in a second here. Celer's up 1.82%. I have a price prediction here from a top analyst I want to share with you guys, and then we'll dive back into this chart and see what could be happening next. Kind of expecting another move up, but we'll see how far and see what the technicals are showing us here. But this comes from Crypto News Z, Celer Network price prediction 2023 through 2030. Okay, it says, what is Celer? It's a layer 2 scaling platform for multiple blockchains and cross-layer support. Okay, I'm not going to go read through all that and bore you guys. We'll get down to the nitty-gritty down here. Here's the circulating supply, 7 billion. That's not actually that bad for crypto. I didn't realize it was that low, to be honest with you. I mean, XRP has 100 billion coins. They don't have 100 billion circulating, but they have 100 billion maximum supply, so it kind of shocks me. It has an all-time high of almost 20 cents and an all-time low of basically 0.001014, and the return on investment is down 32.88%. All right, so let's get down here, and if you would, please hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you here every day. Do a giveaway at the end of every month. We just gave away 100 ADA to one subscriber, and all you have to do to enter is hit the subscribe button. That's it. So let's get down here to 2023-2030. Crypto is comparatively a novel investment option, as it is always interesting to know about the future of a coin to invest in. Crypto is moreover coming under the category of speculative investments and involves high risk, so accurate long-term Celer price prediction always involves an ample amount of skepticism. All right, this I got to be honest with you, these predictions are they're probably, I guess, realistic without a bull run. All right, so for 2023 they expect a maximum price of 3.5 cents. Okay, 2024 we have a bullish Celer movement may touch 0.037 cents. All right, 2025 0.047 to 0.05 cents. 2026 6.5 cents to 7 cents. 2027 I expect 7 to 7.5 cents. 2028 may create a high of 9 cents and a minimum of 7.5. 2029 11 cents to 15 cents. And 2030 25 cents to a minimum of 15 cents. All right, I'm going to throw my 2 cents on this. If we hit a bull run, I absolutely believe that Celer will hit anywhere from 75 cents to $1. That's my price prediction, I guess, for it. And I totally believe it'll do that. And it could do more than that with 7 billion circulating. That's not much, guys. It's really not. And if you know your crypto out there, I'm sure you're agreeing with me. That's pretty low circulating supply. So before we get to those charts, here's the top 100. All your ones in green are obviously positive, and your red, it's small red, -1, -2, -1, small. I think Bitcoin might be, we're getting ready to make a move here, hopefully later today. Here's the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. The market cap's down 0.59%. Volume is up 46.2% over 24 hours. And Bitcoin dominance is up 0.14%. We're at a 63. That's what we were at yesterday. We're still in the greed. Here's your top gainers and top losers. And on the left is your top gainers there. It looks like my screen's cutting off part of the top up there. But your top losers are on the right there then. You can see not very big numbers down, 3%, 2%, not very big numbers at all. So, all right, let's get into that chart here and see what's going on here. Obviously, we had that 5 wave up. You can see here, okay, 3, 4. Your 4 is always like your biggest pull down there, and then your 5th blow off. Okay, now, this thing could be doing a couple of different things. It almost looked like if we put this on the 4 hour, right, it looks like 5 waves inside here to me. You know, it looks like 1, sorry, that wasn't so pretty, 4, 5. Okay, this would have been down here a little bit more. I'm sorry, not real pretty, but you get the idea. Okay, now what I'm thinking, if we put a Fibonacci on the top of this thing, now the RSI's on this thing we're going to go over here in a second too, alright, but we're expecting at least a retrace up to that 618 to 702 area. So let's put a box here and lock that. Okay, and let's get a look at these RSI's. Alright, double tap the RSI on the 4 hour, and they're down here. That's the relative strength index. When it's at the top, it's overbought, and when they get to the bottom, they're oversold, which means they have strength, you know, coming up. And once they get to the top, they're exhausted. So that usually means a pull down in price. But the 1 hour is coming down. The 8 is turning up, and the 12 is also turning up, and the daily is also about ready to turn up. So this thing could absolutely be making a move here within the next day or so. It could start today. We have a green candle on the daily chart starting there. Like I said, I'm expecting, usually you always get a bounce to the 618 or the 702 area. That's why I put that box. Okay, let's extend this out a little bit because it's a little tight. So, you know, not financial advice at all, folks. I'm just showing you what I see in the markets and in the charts. I expect this thing to come up here. Now, whether it gets through here or not is the next question. Okay, it could be. You know, I'm just going to be honest with you all the time with these. You know, it could be a B, C. You know, it could be a correction coming out of here, or we could be starting another 5 waves up. We'll have to wait till some candles print here and we get a better look at what's going on here. You know, we only got a few candles printing here, so we will keep an eye on this. And it looks like maybe Bitcoin is done with its correction there, I'm hoping. I had an ABC correction on that thing, and looks like it might have came up just a hair short of what I was projecting. It had this wedge pattern forming on it here. Okay, you got your one wedge and the other up here. And the thing, it ended up breaking down. It went back up, retested it now as resistance, and it bounced down. But I expected this C leg to come down to, you know, 27,360. It came down to 27,540. So I'm off a couple $100 unless it does come down and get that full extension for that C leg. But I'm hoping it bounces from here. All right, so it's pretty early in the day yet. The Dow Jones is, I want to show you this actually too, because it's coming up to a pretty pivotal point here for the Dow. Look at this wedge forming on this thing. This is on the weekly. Okay, so within the, you know, you can see this thing building momentum in here. You know, we're gonna have a major move in these markets sometime here. You know, this could take, you know, a couple months to play out, obviously. It's on the weekly time frame, but you can see that weekly RSI turning up. So it'd be nice to get a break out of this wedge for the Dow Jones, that's for sure. Boy, that would send everything flying. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Have a fantastic day.